Hey friends, if you encounter the error code 0x80080005 on your Windows system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Sorry, the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution is to clear the contents of the software distribution folder. So I have a script here and the script is written in the description section of this video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste the script here and make sure to hit enter after each and every of these commands. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.